Hi there, it's Alex from WTI, and I'm really loving how I get some nice soft waves in my hair, all thanks to this triple barrel curler from Revlon. Getting that perfectly imperfect beach wave hair can be quite tricky, but I find with the Revlon curler, makes the job a lot easier. Because there's 3 barrels, I find that your hair can get done a lot quicker than as opposed to just a regular 1-barrel curler. It heats up quickly, and it is quite a dream to use. I hold a section of hair in for about 10 seconds and then I open it and slide my hair down to make another set of waves. The quality of this curler is absolutely phenomenal. You can tell just by holding it, it's heavy duty, it's gonna last.
These 3 barrels are the size of my hand, so if you have a lot of hair to curl, this styling tool will be able to meet the challenge.
So if you're always finding it a little tricky to get your perfectly imperfect beach waves, highly recommend this styling product here from Revlon, and that's my point of view.